Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete a playlist on YouTube Music. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube Music app in your device. Then tap on Library. Next, you can see the option of Playlists. Then find the playlist which you want to delete. Next, tap on 3 dots icon of the playlist which you want to delete. After that, you can see the option of delete playlist at the bottom. Tap on it. Next, tap on delete. So, this is how you can delete a playlist on YouTube Music. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.